people around the world, and each person has one person they admire the most. It could be your family or politician. I admire aquarist named Im Ji-won because first, she cared for the animals. In 2012 July, she has rescued whale shark without help of an expert who specializes in dealing with them. She studied through YouTube for days how to take care of whale shark. Because no one was familiar with whale shark, and she even said when she retired from aquarist, she wants to become natural cost of restoration for the animals to live more comfortably on the wild. Second, I love for sea animals. In the aquarium located on Seoul, she works there very hard for animals in aquarium. She even swims with herd of sharks which can eat humans, but she made very impressive performance without fearing. Also, she checks all of the sea animals. In conclusion, for the reasons that she cares for animals and loves for sea animals, thank you for listening to my presentation.